Tasks are the basic building blocks of team collaboration and productivity inside of MarketPlan. And while many people are already very familiar with tasks and how they work in other platforms, tasks inside of MarketPlan have a few differences to understand to help you get high levels of scope in multiple areas of your business or agency. In many platforms, tasks are essentially reminders that live on a board or inside of a list or another similar view that exists separately from the rest of your work. But in MarketPlan, each task you create is contextually located within your visual marketing maps, right alongside your marketing strategy, your creative assets, your projections, and your live analytics data. This way, while you're creating tasks inside of MarketPlan, you have the full scope of every piece of what needs to be done to effectively launch your marketing campaigns and funnels. To begin, tasks inside of MarketPlan are connected to your campaigns. That's how you can stay in context to the deep layers of strategy that go into each marketing campaign you create. So rather than starting right inside of the task manager, we're going to begin creating tasks inside of a plan. Here, inside of a plan, to create a task, click on any area of your marketing campaign to enter into one of your campaign apps. From inside of your campaign app, in this case it's a page module, you can quickly and contextually create tasks by typing into the task field at the bottom right and by clicking Add. Once your main task is created, you can create any subtasks or comments you would like to for this task, assign the task to one of your team members, and choose the task's status. As tasks and subtasks are completed, your completion percentage will appear both inside of the Canvas app above all of your tasks and visually on your MarketPlan canvas. You will also see red indicators for any tasks that are assigned to you. When all tasks for a campaign app are completed, a check mark will appear in place of a progress percentage. This way, you can visually see the progress of your marketing campaigns and funnels as you are working inside of your plans. Now that we have tasks created, we have a few management options to go through while still inside of our plan before we move back to the main task management area. So let's now go inside of the Kanban for a bit more scope on our plan. The Kanban is a dynamic system that allows you to manage and work on all of the tasks for a specific plan. There are a number of options available here for plan-wide task management that also will affect how your tasks appear inside of the task management system. From the Kanban, you can create and edit task statuses and move your tasks along workflows that you create. Note, we recommend in many cases to use the same status lanes for every project and plan you create if your workflow allows for it, for the most simple and congruent way to organize your tasks in the main task management area. Other options inside of the Kanban for task management include duplicating cards, editing assignees, changing due dates, adding card descriptions, comments, subtasks, viewing and editing your cards in the built-in timeline view, and viewing your cards inside of the specific location where they were created so that you can have full context when reviewing and creating tasks for your team and for your clients. Now that we have our statuses set for this plan, our tasks are created and assigned to the proper team members, let's zoom back out of this specific plan to the high-level task management system in the main menu. Inside of the tasks area, we are no longer looking only at the tasks that belong to a single plan or project. From here, we can see all of the tasks associated with all of our campaigns and projects at the same time in many different ways using groups. We will go more in depth about customizing your own groups in the next video in the task management tutorial mini-series. But for now, let's talk about some of the final things you can do with your tasks once you've organized them into groups inside of your spaces. From the main task management area, you have a few options for task creation in addition to creating your tasks from within your plans themselves. To manually create tasks for your groups, click the New Task button. Here, enter in the required information for your task to properly populate in the correct project, plan, and Canvas app, and designate a status for your task. Then, once you click Save Changes, your task will automatically be added to one of your existing groups if it matches the specified group criteria. For quicker task creation, you can click the plus icon next to any task to create a duplicate task from within your group. This is helpful if you have a large number of items you'd like to create tasks for that all have similar parameters. In addition to the task options covered earlier from within the Kanban, you can also add attachments to your tasks, create and add searchable tags, and assign priorities to your tasks that allow you to view which tasks out of all of your projects and plans need your attention the most. Then, when you would like to review your tasks from the task management area, zooming in and out of each plan and project is as simple as clicking the View in Canvas button, and you will be taken to the specific project, plan, and Canvas app on the top left of your task. This allows you to see your work in context to the rest of your visual marketing plan. And when you are done reviewing your work, click the Back to Space button to go back to the task management area and continue your workflow.